Yo YouTube, it's Pokemaster Logan 1, and I have some bad news. There's kind of been a series delay, so it's like, okay, Steel Green 03 knows this first of all, and I'll just bring it. I was supposed to make this thing called Bonsly Death Game, where I make like 6 series of killing Bonsly, but that's kind of been delayed because, you know, I'm not really feeling it, and I just like totally forgot about the whole thing, you know. So that's kind of been delayed. It could be coming maybe this Wednesday. I'm not sure. Well, yeah. So that's kind of bad, you know, series delay. Yeah, it's very bad, you know. Yeah. I know you're probably disappointed. Like, you're like, what? I didn't know there was a series. Actually, at one point, I did write it at the top of my channel. You know, sorry about my voice. It's like, you know, like all weird sounding. It's because, like, you know, it's like almost 11 o'clock. And, well, yeah, Lugia. Yeah, let's take some time to look at Lugia. Okay, so that's enough time to look at Lugia. Alright, back to the update. Okay, so Bonsly Death Game will be starting on Wednesday. Okay. It'll be starting this Wednesday, alright? I swear it. No matter what, I will not tell a lie. I cannot lie. Well, I usually never lie. Well, yeah, because I'm awesome like that. I got a fang. Alright, so, well, yeah, Bonsly Death Game. Well, that's coming out as soon as possible. Okay, yeah, as soon as possible. Alright. I'm just really not feeling it, you know. Okay, it's probably not coming this Wednesday, but like it's coming as soon as I can make it. Alright, guys, so that's about it. Goodbye. Look forward to seeing Lugia in new videos, catching Arceus. I'm not sure about that, and I need to get that event. Or I can go to the Toys R Us and get the mystery gift connection, since, like, you know, they have a mystery gift connection, which you can get in Azure Flute. Alright, so I can make a video about that, you know, catching Arceus. That's coming as soon as I can. I don't have my DS with me, and I'm at my dad's house, and I don't have the Arceus event yet. So that's a bummer. Okay. Well, guys, I have to go now, you know, because I need to upload this really as quickly as I can. You know, guys, well, goodbye. I'll see what I can do by catching Arceus and Bonsly Death Game, you know, I'll see what I can do about that. As soon as possible, I swear it. Goodbye.